One more beer, I'll get around to it. Little wishful drinking, that's the way I do it. I bet if I ask her, there's a chance of getting her out on the floor to dance. Just might put her head on my shoulder. Couple songs in, we'll be even closer. One more beer, I'll get around to it. Wishful drinking, that's the way I do it. Wishful drinking on a Saturday night. One of these days I'm gonna get it right. For all those times I tried and blew it. Wishful drinking, that's the way I do it. It won't take her long to see that I'm her man. She'll write a number on the back of my hand. Might even give me a good night kiss. If I play my cards right, it's worth the risk. One more beer, I'll get around to it. Wishful drinking, that's the way I do it. Wishful drinking on a Saturday night. One of these days I'm gonna get it right. For all those times I tried and blew it. Wishful drinking, that's the way I do it. Wishful drinking on a Saturday night. One of these days I'm gonna get it right. For all those times I tried and blew it. Wishful drinking, that's the way I do it. Wishful drinking on a Saturday night. One of these days I'm gonna get it right. For all those times I tried and blew it. Wishful drinking, that's the way I do it. Wishful drinking, that's the way I do it. On second thought, how about you pulling it around there, bartender?
Let's learn Wishful Drinking. It's choreographed by Lee Hamilton. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Wishful Drinking. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to place our right heel forward, step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward, step your left next to your right. We're now going to tap our right heel forward twice, heel, heel, and then we're going to tap our right toe back twice, tap, tap. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to place our right heel forward. We're going to touch our right toe back. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to kick your left foot forward, step back with your left and touch your right toe back. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder to face 3 o'clock and hit your left knee up. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your heel toe single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. We're going to do a grapevine to the left, so we're going to step our left foot to the side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. We're now going to do a grapevine with a step together. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and you're going to stomp your left next to your right, about shoulder width apart. So let's try that with some counts. We just hitched our left knee up doing your grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to rotate our left toe to the left. Now you're going to do your left heel to the left, your left toe towards the left, and then you're going to step your right next to your left, doing a little bit of a stomp. We're now going to do that with our right. So you're gonna take your right toe, swivel it out to the right, your right heel out to the right, your right toe out to the right, and then you're gonna step your left next to your right, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. We just stomped our left next to our right. You're going to do your toe, heel, toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your heels. Heel, step, heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel, toe, step, kick, back, touch, quarter, hitch. Grapevine with a touch, grapevine with a stomp together. Toe, heel, toe together, toe, heel, toe together. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your heel switches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. There are no tags, no restarts, so you don't have to worry about anything extra. You're just going to dance through until the end of the song. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your heels. Heel, step, heel, touch, back, back. Heel, toe, step, kick, back, touch, quarter, hitch. Grapevine with a touch. Grapevine with a stomp together. Toe, heel, toe together, toe, heel, toe together, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, step, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, step, kick, back, touch, quarter, hitch. Grapevine with a touch. Grapevine with a stomp together. Toe, heel, toe together, toe, heel, toe together, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn wishful drinking. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.